This sexy knife. This thing's kind of beat up. This is my work fuck around knife. It's called a Desert Warrior or a Desert Warrior. Play on the words. Whoo! And that's the live blade. Aye. But that thing is a baddie. This is a $500 baddie. A Flytanium. I'm getting that tattooed on my face. Or my dickhead. One of the two. Gang. Say hi to Nova. Is it your birthday today, babies?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 3.
You're 3, that's right. You give Cameron a kiss, give Uncle Eddie a kiss. You say, hi, Uncle Eddie, it's my birthday.
It's my birthday.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you too, bitch. Don't forget it. Love you. Fucking nipple of yours, Eddie.